What's up guys, it's the Tech Bolt here, and today we'll be looking at the Infinix Note 10. So I bought this phone like a week ago and I must tell you it is amazing. So the model I got was the 64GB 4GB RAM Infinix, precisely purple color, and it's okay. Well, so out of the box we get the 18-watt fast charger, this sticker from Infinix, which is said to win prizes, but I don't know how real that is, and some other labels, the headphone jack, and the silicone case. I've already posted on my phone, as you can see. So that's pretty much what you get from the box. Now let's go over to the phone. Well, you can see the supersonic fingerprint, very fast. Open your phone in less than a second, and it's very accurate. It comes with a 60Hz refresh rate, which is not that bad. It's really did a good job actually, and the display is okay, but I put my phone on eye care, for eye problems, and it's running well. It's okay. So as you can see, this is it. It's a 48 megapixel main camera, and it's okay. It's also good for gaming. The gaming in it is really good. So over to the camera. Well, I won't say the camera really surprised me, but it's also good. This is an outdoor picture, and this is a portrait of my friend I took. This is another portrait, and this is the normal photo in it. This is the portrait indoor. It looks kind of whack, It made the light look so bright even when it wasn't that bright. So I won't give a point to the portrait on the Infinix. It's not as good as you'd expect. So I told you I bought this phone last week, and I'll tell you the battery life is actually very good. It can take you for a full day without recharging it. If you're an intense mobile phone user, because I am, and it takes me a full day with just a single charge. So the phone is actually very nice. It gives you everything you need for your everyday use, but it has its own faults too, because of some ads you get when you get the phone. I had to delete some apps from here, like they filled many apps for ads here, so I had to delete lots of them in order for me to enjoy the phone and still get some ads time to time on the phone. So these are the edges I know that the phone isn't that good. But overall, the phone is nice, so I'll give it maybe 7 out of 10, or a nice attempt. Also, the Face ID is very fast, and it's also extremely accurate. So we've made it to the end of this video, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video. God bless. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please just hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. You don't need to pay for anything, and like this video, and share with someone that would like to purchase this phone so they can get some details out of it.